Let's make this easy but absolutely delicious Ghana jollof rice. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen. I share easy recipes here, so I know very well you will love it here. Please subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. Thank you so much for doing that. Without wasting much of your time, I have my cooking oil in my pan. I'm just going to add my pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, natural herbs and spice blend, and then we can continue with the process or the cooking method. My returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for your time. I am so grateful for always spending some time with me. It's been a while we uploaded video and I saw all your messages. Thank you so much for checking up on me. I am very fine, okay? But it was because of something. That is why I couldn't upload the videos. Okay, I had a lot of things to do at the same time, so I had to let one go and then attend to the other ones. I'm so sorry I couldn't bring you the videos, but from today onwards I'm just going to make sure I schedule the videos so that it can come out for all of you to watch. Thank you so much. Now I have fried all the ingredients I mentioned to you earlier, and now I've added my tomato paste. I am frying that as well, so we will fry it very well and then we continue. If you hear any background noise, pardon me for that. Okay, now this has fried very well and I'm just going to add my tomato sauce or fresh tomatoes and then allow it to fry very well before we proceed. I hope you understand. Please, if you've watched me till this point, it means you like the video. Can you please like the video if you haven't? I'll be very happy right now if you share the video to others. You leave me your comment in the comment section and also subscribe or follow for more videos. As I said earlier, it is absolutely free. Now our stew looks so good and very delicious. If you want a detailed video on how to prepare jollof stew, I have the video on wherever you are watching me from, okay? Being Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, you will find it there. So please do watch it for me and I will be very happy for that. Now this is how our stew is looking and we are done with everything. I'm just going to fetch some and then we'll continue with the jollof rice. You can see that from the beginning we had a lot of oil on top, but now we don't have any because I scooped everything. Okay, we add a lot of oil to that so that it can speed up the cooking process. That will help it fry faster. This was actually, before we go to that, I added my washed rice to that, and then after that I toasted it in the stew for some time. Now I've added my stock to that and I am just going to ensure that the salt is enough before we start cooking. This was the first time I actually prepared food in a larger quantity like this, and trust me, it's not easy. Yes, that doesn't mean you can't do it, okay? So far as I'm able to do it, you can do it. It is easy. But I'm trying to say that cooking for 2 people, 5 people, 10 people is very easy than preparing food for hundreds of people. Yes, and this was the first time I made in fact I went through, but at the end, I mean, it was okay. They really enjoyed it and they fell in love with it. I have my vegetables here and I am sauteing it. Okay, I added some vegetable seasoning to it and that is what I am doing. You can see some liquid under because the vegetables were frozen. I think it was only the peas. Yes, that was frozen. That is why you can see that liquid under it. So as I talk to you right now, our jollof rice tastes good. I mean, the salt and everything is okay. So it is on fire, and we'll be checking on it every 3 minutes. Sometimes we do not show everything, but we say it because recording takes a lot of time. Yes, and maybe you are given a specific time for the food to be ready, and if you don't take care, you may be in trouble, or you let someone be late for something, or for events, or for occasion, because of your, sorry to say, your YouTube video. That is why we sometimes say it with our mouth than to show it. So I added some of the stew to it to make it rich. Okay, I actually I'm not a fan of a very rich jollof rice. I want it a bit not very brown. Okay, that's not how I like my jollof rice. So with this jollof rice, it was too rich. Yes, that is what I did not like about. But the person I prepared this for told me they really enjoyed it. So okay, now I've added my vegetables to it, and I will ensure that every vegetables enters the rice before we are done with the cooking process. As I talk to you right now, the rice is 98% done, but we just want the vegetables to, I mean, cook for a minute, and then we are good to go. Now our rice is ready. We did not add any salt to it for you to see, because the stock contains salt, and then the vegetable seasoning we used for the vegetables also contains salt. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will try this recipe, and please do not forget to subscribe or follow for more videos, because you can't afford to miss the next upload. Until I come your way next time, do good, love yourself first, and it's bye.